Hey guys, how's it going? It's Tate here, bringing you another video on how to use the BugManager plugin for Minecraft 1.12.2. So this plugin has been created by me, and I created it for server owners to keep track of all their user-created bugs in a nice GUI format, or you could use the DataYML file to view your reports. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first command that you want to do. Actually, before that, right now I'm running BugManager version 1.2.6, and this plugin does feature an updater. So, how you update would be bug report, report, update successful, changes will take action after the next server restarts, so we just reload. As you can see, now we're running version 1.2.7. So let's get into the actual stuff. So, bug report, create, let's just name this testing, actually not hello. And the description will be, hi, how are you doing today? Now we get this message saying thank you for reporting, which means that the report has been successfully reported. So as a server admin, to view your reports would be bug report view, and it brings up this nice GUI. And if we click on report number 0, which is our first report, it says by Tate my love, which is my in-game name, and the title is hello. So we click on that, it gives us a written book. Click on that, report number 0, which is our first report. Player that reported it is Tate my love. Title is hello. Description, hi, how are you doing today? What I want to show you is how to delete the reports. So as you can see, when we open up the GUI, we get this report number ID, and you have to remember that. So ours is 0, so we would do bug report delete and then the ID. So 0 report deleted, we go back and it's gone. Another good thing about this GUI is that it has multiple pages. So if you click on the next page, it would take you to page 2. You click on it again, it would take you to page 3. Click on previous page, page 2, page 1. So after, how it works is basically after this whole page fills up, it'll take you to page 2, and from whatever report that it ended off on page 1, it'll be started here, so it will continue, and then from page 3 it will continue as well, and then it will keep creating more pages. These are only the starting pages. Now onto the configuration. So this plugin is highly configurable, meaning that there are multiple things that you can configure. So if we go into our plugins, bug report, config, I'll explain what these do. So this plugin does feature a remind message that it will send to the players. So this is the interval between each message in seconds. The reminder interval. Right now it's set to 300 seconds. So if we wanted it to be every 5 seconds, we'd do 5. We'd save. We'd go back here, reload, wait 5 seconds. And as you can see, it sent us a message saying, if you encounter a bug, please report it. Now this message is changeable right here. So if we want it to be red, so C, we would save, then we would reload. We would wait for it to reload. And now it says if you encounter a bug, please report it. Okay. On to the next is the report message. So when we created a report, it said thanks for reporting. So we could change this to thanks for reporting, kind sir, and we could make this green, so A. Save, reload, and then create. Then let's just say testing this feature. Oops. Thanks for reporting, kind sir. Okay, now to show you that it actually added into the GUI, it's right there. Title test, we received the report. Number 0, player tape my love. Title, test, description, testing this feature. Now for the next config, we have enable or disable auto update. So I actually put this into the configuration to allow server admins if they'd rather have the update from a command, or if they would rather update it from the start when the server starts, or when the server starts loading. So right now it's set to true. So basically what it does is it pulls the information of the latest build off of Bukkit. So it's already approved from Bukkit so that there's no malicious code in it. So if you just leave that to true, it will, once you start up the server, it will start downloading the latest update. You can disable that and it won't do that, but when you join, okay, we get this message saying you are running BugManager v1.2.7. Latest download is BugManager v1.2.7. To update, type /bug report update. So that's if you'd rather have it done by command rather than when the server starts. And lastly, I'll show you how to, if you'd rather use the data file instead of the in-game viewing, you would just go into plugins, bug report, data, open that, then you see reports, ID 0, player tape my love, title test, description testing this feature. So this is very useful for server owners to keep track of all their user created bugs in a nice, neat data file or GUI. And this is actually one of the first plugins that actually incorporate book GUI, where it writes all the information into a book, such as like the ID, the player, the description,